See children, today we are discussing with the some angles we have to sin 90 minus theta. What will happen? Cos 90 minus theta, what will happen? Tan 90 minus theta, what will happen? We have to know the first of all quadrant. Quadrant are the four types are there. This is Q1, this is Q2, this is Q3, this is Q4. This is the 90 minus theta, this is the 90 plus theta, this is the 180 plus theta, this is the 270 plus theta, 360 minus theta, this is the 270